Okay, so we have my little stuff too. I forgot that. Yeah. So I have the little Squishmallow here, and it's slime. It is wild strawberry scented premium cloud slime, and it's so cute. It's supposed to smell like wild strawberry, so it's already adorable. I like how the top is foam.
Wait, is it?
Wait, did you get 3?
I think.
Okay, it looks sticky.
Here's the charm.
It looks sticky, but it's kind of not. Your face.
What is this?
Okay, it's sticky. Oh, here's the charm.
Yeah, can you grab the charm?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay. So Joey's getting the charm out. Hold on, I can just put my hands in there. Oh, this is not.
This is not feeling the light right now.
Okay.
Let me see.
I'm just. It's a tinsel. I'm in the slime.
Oh, it's not nice.
Yeah, it's tinsel and glitter.
Just, yeah.
How am I supposed to?
Let me open this too.
Hold on, I'm just gonna.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's glitter.
Does it look good?
I don't think I'm supposed to put that much. I got a fart, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I got mine. It's premium cloud slime, cotton candy scented. Yeah, and his name is Eugene. So let's open him up.
He named him.
He has a yacht too, so. Oh heck no! Mine's all like blue.
Sparklies?
Bro, I have more sparklies. Hercules. Oh, it smells like
blue?
yogurt. Bro, I got 2 of them.
I got 2 as well. 2 sparklies?
Yeah.
Me too. This is my second one.
Oh yeah! My charm looks so cute. So, yeah. Let me get my stuff out here. It smells like yogurt. Look, smell it. Don't it smell like,
It smells like strawberry yogurt.
doesn't it smell like yogurt?
It
Oh my
does.
gosh, it does smell like
smell like-
It's like cotton candy, yeah.
It
It's,
does kind of smell like cotton candy though.
yeah, I can smell it, but
Like
it's
It's
like,
like cotton
strawberry.
candy yogurt.
like
Cotton
strawberry.
candy yogurt. Guys, I'm not beating it. Okay, I'm trying to get the glitter off the tip.
Actually, you are beating it.
We're gonna add the sparklies. Hercules. Can you cut this open?
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
10 out of 10.
What?
So we're gonna move on to Nevaeh.
Finally!
Yes. Oh my god. I don't know what to name this one.
Didn't you say like
Geenie. Geenie.
Gene?
Geenie.
Gene.
Geenie, but it's Geenie.
My bad, but I don't know if you saw it. A solar eclipse just happened.
Yeah, guys. Couple add-ins. Okay.
Yes.
And then I'm trying to talk over them. This is Geenie. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, we're talking about lawsuits.
Yeah.
What? This is a slime.
We're talking about some.
It smells like apple juice.
Oh, it does.
It smells just like apple juice, guys.
Can you get it?
It smells so good.
What?
Okay, mine actually looks like flower.
So this is it.
Looks beautiful.
Yours like a strawberry. Mine just
Okay.
looks like a flower. Mine's so ugly.
What?
This is a weird texture. What the freak did you just do,
Oh,
Joey?
Is it a cloud? Cloud slime?
Wait, I feel it. Oh, yours is like different.
The freak.
You hear that? Little pop.
Hells me. Sprinkle this around.
Genie.
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 What
in the
was my
bottle.
oh, little french fry. Yeah.
Yeah, well, small fry.
Yeah, that's my fry.
That's so cute. Yeah, I promise. I hope so.
Oh, look. It looks so pretty on
Did you
camera.
see that? Like my thing, I just bought a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I had 30 seconds left.
Okay, that was kind of good. It's more of a cloud dough.
Alright, guys. It's.
I'll put it in my
Oh my gosh, I just smacked the camera. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to smack you with it.
Alright.
Does it smell good? Eat it.
That's the end of all the slime reviews.
Bye.